everybody, welcome to my channel. I'm Christopher David Lawson of NEPA. Today we got another nice project from Muslogy for the 2022, 23, and possibly 24 Ford Maverick radio knob trim piece. We're going to be installing this quickly today. This is the matte black, but it also comes in matte carbon fiber and matte black wood grain. But this just installs with two-sided tape. It also comes with an adhesion promoter. We're going to go ahead and install that now. Okay, first thing we're going to do, folks, we're going to go ahead and take an alcohol pad and wipe everything down really good around your radio control knobs, because you know you've been touching this with your fingers, so you don't want any oils on there. And then once you do that, you're going to let it dry for a couple minutes. That way the alcohol is completely off there. And then while you're doing that, you just go ahead and start peeling some of the backing tape off of your Muslogy radio control surround. This is going to fit in there really nicely, folks. Muslogy's products definitely fit well for the Maverick. They've done their research. Everything I've added to this truck is fit absolutely perfect like it came from the factory. Okay, folks, after you've taken all the tape backing off, we're going to go ahead and get this centered. Like I said, this fits almost like it came from the factory, folks. It slides right up in there and fits like a glove, just like that. Adds a little change to your dashboard. Go ahead and start pressing down on all this. This is a nice addition, I think. The Maverick plastic has a tendency to scratch pretty good in here, so it's nice to have a little protection in there. And it's a little different detail, but make sure you go ahead around a few times, make sure the tape has a chance to stick. All right, folks, here's a little bit better view up close. Like I said, it looks like it came from the factory. This is another nice product from Muslogy. I've done a few videos for them before, like the top tray, did the tray here, inside tray, and of course this nice cover on the armrest. All right, folks, thanks for tuning in. Another nice product from Muslogy. Check out the other videos. You can get this off of Amazon for $19.99 regular price, and of course free shipping if you're a Prime member. But check out the Muslogy store on Amazon. Bye for now.